Pound's departure brought dramatic changes to the family. Strauss grew old and his daughter became sensible. Bella quickly learned to protect and accompany her family. But Pound did not take away his spirit. The remaining family members will doubly care and love each other. They both live strong and optimistic lives, with Pound's love for them that never goes away. Bella would still go to the station regularly to wait for Pound. Sometimes Strauss accompanies Bella. Bella is getting older, and Bella's story is being known by more and more people. 8 years later, Bella finally waited until Pound, and they were reunited in heaven. Every wait and love will not be ignored and wasted.